Welcome back to AI Finder. Today we are diving into Magai, often called the Netflix of AI, an all-in-one platform built by creators for creators. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney, it brings over 40 of the world's top AI models together into one seamless workspace. Let's jump right in and see what's make it such a game changer. Once you log in, you're greeted with a clean, modern interface designed for a smooth experience. On the main screen, you'll find two primary options: Start a new chat and generate an image. Click on Start a new chat, and you can explore different AI models available within the platform, including Claude, DeepSeek, GPT-5, Gemini, and many others. This lets you choose the perfect model for any task, from writing and research to coding and creativity. The best part? You can switch between models instantly without losing your chat context, saving tons of time and effort. Next, let's look at personas, one of its most powerful features. You'll find a wide selection of pre-made personas designed for different tasks, like marketing, writing, design, or technical research. Let's open the expert persona. Here, I asked to generate a YouTube title, description, and thumbnail idea for a video, and it instantly produced a full package, complete with title, tags, thumbnail suggestion, and even a script outline. You can copy, edit, regenerate, or even generate audio from any response. And if you want something customized, you can create your own persona by selecting Add Persona on the left side. Just import a CSV file, and you're good to go. This feature perfectly reflects Magai's mission. It's built by Dustin W. Stout, a creator and marketing expert who designed it specifically for professionals who use AI every day. Now let's explore the Generate an Image feature. Simply type your desired prompt, and if you want better results, click to enhance it automatically before generating. You can pick from a variety of top-tier image models like DALL-E3, Flux, GPT-Image, K-Link, Luma, Recraft, and more. Once you choose your size and style, hit Generate, and it creates stunning, high-quality images. For example, when I used an artistic style prompt, it produced a detailed, professional-looking piece of AI art. Let's try another one, a natural photo of a person sitting near a window. I selected the Imagine model, switched to Ultra mode for extra realism, and added a negative prompt to remove unwanted elements. In seconds, it generated a photo that looked almost lifelike, like it was captured on a professional DSLR camera. In the Media section, you can view all your generated images in one place. Under Team, you can invite collaborators via email or share an invite link, perfect for teams working on shared projects. The Quick Caption menu gives you fast access to new chat, new image, new persona, new prompt, and new workspace. Everything you need to stay productive is just one click away. It also features the AI Academy, a dedicated learning space filled with tutorials, guides, and best practices to help users make the most of AI. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, the AI Academy helps you learn faster and create smarter. And if you want to connect with other creators, join its Facebook community, where you can share your work, get tips, and stay updated with the latest AI trends and model releases. Magai offers flexible pricing options for all users. The solo plan starts at $20 per month, giving you access to all premium AI models in one subscription. For larger teams, there's a $40 plan with collaboration tools and multi-user access. If you switch to the yearly plan, you'll save 17%, make far more affordable than paying separately for ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, and image generation tools. And that's it for this walkthrough. It's a full creative workspace built by creators, trusted by thousands. With access to 40+ AI models, prompt enhance, custom personas, and team tools, it puts everything you need in one place. Ready to simplify your workflow? Check out link in the description. Thanks for watching AI Finder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart AI tools.